This is the tower installation tutorial for Online's Advanced UPS series. This installation tutorial applies to all 4U models of Online's Advanced UPS series. Important notice: before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, prepare the following items, which come with the UPS unit. In addition, you will also need to prepare other accessories and tools before the installation. First, stand the UPS on its left side. Fix the rack mount ears onto the bottom of the UPS, using 4 flathead screws to serve as stands. Next, insert 8 dust covers into the open screw holes, to prevent dust from entering the unit. Lift the LCD module manually, and rotate it by 90 degrees clockwise. Before the UPS and utility grid connection, make sure the input breaker is off. To connect the UPS and utility grid, insert the input terminal block power cord through the cable gland. And connect the power cord to the utility grid via the input terminal blocks on the UPS. Install the terminal block cover onto the UPS, using the 2 round head screws. Tighten the sealing nut to secure the power cord, and connect it to the utility grid. Then, turn on the input breaker to power up the UPS. The LCD of the UPS will turn on and show standby mode. To complete the installation, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and press the enter button to turn on the UPS. The UPS will run a self-test, which may take a few seconds. Then, it will transfer to line mode and be ready for use.